Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm reviewing Touchschool markers. It is a twin marker, so it comes in a fine tip and a broad tip. So it is a set of 24 colors, and these are the colors that you get in this set. With the number of markers we're getting, this set is pretty cheap. So it comes with a handle like this so that we can carry the case around. And let me show you the inside of the case. So these are the markers. As you can see, there are 24 markers in it. Now let me take out the markers and show it properly to you. So this is the markers. It comes with a two holder like that. And now let me show you the marker individually. So now, as you can see, the marker itself is pretty good. The name and the number of the colors are written on the top of the marker. This is the fine tip. And this is the broad tip. So one thing I like about this marker is that there is a gray strip right here. So it helps me easily recognize that it is the fine tip. So now I'll swatch the color up for you. I don't know much, but I think the blending was pretty good. So that's it for today, guys. I'm hoping to use these markers in my future videos, so stay tuned. I'm also gonna upload many tutorial videos on drawing anime characters. If you think the video was good, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.